Today, I walk the Stations of the Cross in BGC, not alone, but with my granddaughter and my daughter-in-law. 3 generations side by side, taking each step in silence and prayer. At first, it felt like just another tradition, but as we moved from one station to another, something shifted. Each scene of our Lord Jesus Christ's suffering became more real, more personal. I look at my granddaughter, so innocent, quietly observing, and I wondered what she was feeling, what she was understanding in that moment. Then I glanced at my daughter-in-law, walking with calm faith, and I felt the deep sense of gratitude. With every step, we carried not just our prayers but our own crosses too. The pain, struggles, the silent battles, all laid down in reflection of His sacrifice on the cross. In the middle of BGC's busy streets, we found stillness, a reminder that no matter how fast life moves, there is always space to pause, to feel, to believe. As we reached the final station, my heart felt full, not heavy, but filled with peace, love, and quiet strength. Because today wasn't just about remembering His suffering, it was about understanding His love.